Family, greetings once again. I'm just I'm just sharing with you a little bit today. I just feel that vibes, you know. I'm cooking like three different meals. Like three different meals, you know. A soup is gonna be in there, corn soup with green plantain gonna be in there. A fried rice type of thing with, you know, little pumpkin, English potato and those things, and a regular rice, no, and like a noodles and green veggie mix up. So I already got my corn here and my scallion, carrots, pumpkin, English potato as they would say. Some of these pepper here, some sweet potato as well. Well, you know, this is all the shaving or the peelings from the different stuff, you know. I got some kale there. I got some veggie burgers. I got some green plantain, and I got some this one is kale, so this collard greens. Yeah, and it's like three different meal I'm gonna get out of this here. One of the combination gonna be, like I said, with some noodles, you know. Yeah, and another one of the meal gonna be with this, in a combination with one of these, either the collard green or the kale combination. And like I said, the corn here and the green plantain, we're gonna making that into a corn soup with nice it's gonna be spicy. We're gonna put some some type of peppery jerk seasoning within the corn soup, coconut milk, you know. Nice it up, man. So just let me do my thing and I'll show you how it look as we go along, you know. But this was the hardest part, as any cook would know, anybody preparing anything, is the prepping. You know, normally I like to keep these here, but I'm not planting right now due to the season. But when season is for planting or all like these, now we just throw on the plant where you're planting, you know. Yeah, but that's what today Friday night meal look like, you know. So just stay tuned. Thank you for passing through. Don't forget, if you feel the vibes, like, share, and subscribe. We're on a mission. Each one, reach one, teach one. We're all we got. After cutting up, this is what the preparation look like. Veggie burgers, mixed seasoning. You got your garlic, your onions, your pepper, sweet pepper, your scallion, thyme, sweet potatoes, English potato, veggie burger. This is personal. This is for me personal, but this is for the meal. Carrots, pumpkin, collard green, collard green, and kale. Got some chickpeas there, and some chowmein. The first thing I'm doing is gonna be the corn soup. The corn, green banana. And that's much easier to do, that's faster to do. So I'm gonna start with that first, you know. Stay along for the ride, man. Give thanks and praise. Everything is everything. Yeah. See? This is what the corn soup will look like. There's corn, green bananas, corn soup cooking away, looking nice. Corn soup coming along nice, looking nice. Stay with me. Still got all these. Still got So getting the veggie together here. The veggie together for the chowmein. The water to put the noodles in. We get in there. 1 down, 2 to go. And as you see the corn soup over here, bubbling corn soup. 1 down, 2 to go. My twins them are coming home from university, you know. So they're gonna be longing for their home cooked meal. So what a father's good for. You know, give them what they need. When they come in, they just get that home cooked meal. Because you know at college how it is. You know how it is at college. So once I know they're coming or the mother know they come, we prepare, you know? Yeah. Stay with me. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, you know. Stay with me. Yeah, this is the veggie here we're getting together. Here for the chowmein. Not only looking good, family, smelling good, and it's tasting good. Not only looking good, it's smelling good and it's tasting good. And this here is the veggie patty that I give a, you know, pre-fry. Throw it in. This is like a, for like a meat portion, you know. And only fry a little. Let it do what it do. Let it do what it do. Let it do what it do. Watch how the corn soup looking, eh? Almost finished. The water boiling there for the chowmein. We just let it do what it do. We get in there. Get in there. Show you a thing or two, you know. Don't forget, hit the subscribe button, like, share, comment. We in this together, you know, on the road to 1,000. On the road to 10,000, but we first step, we're going to take a 1,000. But we are on the road to 10,000. First step, 1,000. Stay with me. Almost there. Just add the kale. And just pour a little water. Just a little. Kale just get added. Stir fry. Let it steam for a minute. How it looking? How we looking, family? How we looking? How we looking? Looking good. Looking good. Just add the chickpeas to it. Get in there. Just add the chickpeas. How we looking? Noodles are ready in. Almost finished. This, along with this, give us the chowmein. Family is supposed to be cooking 3 meals this evening. Because, like I said, my twins are coming home from taking a little. They got various appointments, so they're taking a couple of days off, you know, or maybe I think it's winter recess. But I am tired. So the 3rd meal, I'm going to cook with the blessings of the Almighty, tomorrow, Saturday, I will cook that. So the stuff that I already cut up, I just bag them up. Sweet potato, pumpkin, carrots, collard greens, and some Irish potato. So I'm gonna bag them up, and that'll be, I'll put together a nice thing tomorrow with that. Nice meal tomorrow, you know. Yeah, we get in there though. The noodles, I'm gonna strain them in a few, right in this colander right there. There. So we get in there. The veggies are already finished. The stove is off for this. The soup is already finished. The stove is off for that. That's the corn soup. So I'm tired, man. I need a little time for me, you know, a little break, you know what I mean? A little break for the brain. Yeah, hold it up. Almost there. I'm going to show you the finished product. I'm going to show you everything finished and what's going to be for Friday night dinners. Everybody stepping in one by one, you know? Yeah. So we do it, you know, we keep the thing balanced, because if we don't keep it balanced, it will capsize, it will turn over. Watch you right. We're straining our noodles now. And we're gonna put the noodles together with the veggie. And together with a combination of that, we call that a chow mein. Yeah, chow mein. Fire low. Mix them together. This is where we're at right now. I gotta rest the phone. I'm finished cooking, but I'm not kind of hungry right now, so I'm going to get me a hot cup of tea and relax, and then in a little bit I'll come and eat some chow mein, and some corn soup. So right now I just put on some tea and drink a hot cup of tea. Then eat something later on. Thank you for joining me. Hope all is well. If you enjoy the content, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We're there on patrol, we're there on watch. Africa's Vanguard. Thanks for stopping by.